The mindset you built is holding you back. Rewrite it in one day. Let's talk about the real prison most men never escape from. Not their job, not their responsibilities, not their past. Their mind. And the scary part, most men never even question it. They've been running the same internal talk track for 20, 30, even 40 years. And they don't realize that voice isn't the truth. It's conditioning. Hello, my name is Joel Davis. Thank you for tuning in to U3.0. Davis. In this episode, we are going to rewrite your mindset in one day by blowing up the lies, limiting beliefs, or negative talk tracks that are all false. They're all fake. They are not real. Listen, your mind has been shaped by your childhood, your successes, your failures, your boss, your ex, your mistakes, your fears, all those things. Then, one day you wake up and wonder, why am I stuck? Why can't I change? Why do I keep sabotaging myself? Well, here's the answer. You may want to write this down. You're living with beliefs that were installed by a version of you that no longer exists. In the U3.0 Lifestyle Operating Plan, we call this Battlegrounds 1 and 2, our internal talk track and belief system. These two things determine 90% of your actions, reactions, decisions, and direction. But the good news? You can rewrite them in one day once you see them. Once you see them on paper and you realize they are all fake. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Write down the lie or negative talk track that you've been believing. It might be things like, I'm too old, I'm behind, I can't change, I'm not disciplined, I don't deserve better. Get all these things that you're saying to yourself, get them out of your head and into the light onto a piece of paper. And look at them with new, fresh eyes. Step 2. Ask yourself the following questions. And this is going to be a lot of fun. Where did this come from? An event? A person? Do you even remember? Next, ask yourself if that was true way back then. I found that 99% of the time it was not true back then. Next, ask yourself if it is true today. Again, 99% of those lies or negative talk tracks are not true today. So let me ask you this question. Why would you accept a lie or a negative belief that was not true years ago and is not true today? Even worse, it may have come from a person or an event you can't even remember. Answer me. Today's reality is that you don't have to accept this lie. You can break those chains. Let me give you another example. If your utility company claimed you did not pay their bill, but you could show them that you did, you would not pay that bill again, would you? Then why are you paying and repaying this bill, this lie, this negative talk track again and again and again years later? It's false. Listen, it's got to stop right here, right now. Just full stop. Has to stop. All right. Step 3. Replace the lie with the truth. Write down the truth. Cross out the old lie and write a new identity level truth rooted in evidence and fact and reality and intention. I am becoming disciplined. I am not too old. I'm entering the most powerful decade of my life. I'm creating U3.0, the next version of me. I am rewriting my story. I will be the first to go to college. I can do it. I may not know all the answers, but I will not stop learning. I will not stop trying. I will not give up. Guys, this isn't therapy, it's construction. You're rebuilding the internal operating system that drives your external life. And here's the magic. Once the internal lies die, the external momentum accelerates. Each day your self-esteem, identity, and self-worth will be improved until it is fully restored. Anytime that old lie pops up, you can say, hey, this is not true today. I'm not allowing a lie to define my life. I choose to unlock my hidden chains and live based on the truth of who I am today. Write these down in your journal. Put them on your bathroom mirror. Read them first thing every morning and before you go to bed. Rewire your brain and belief system based on what is true today. This daily morning and evening ritual of consuming these truths will change your mindset, attitude, and energy faster than you could ever possibly imagine. It is using the concept of compounding, like interest in your bank account. It gets larger over time. It begins to build momentum in your brain and in rewriting the real you. Every single day, your brain will start to believe in the man you are becoming. In episode 4, we'll take a look at your new identity and how to build your mission, purpose, and SMART goals, which is really the bridge between vision and victory. If you want to rewire your mindset and start to change today, visit our YouTube channel, U3.0.Joel Davis. Subscribe and download the U3.0 Lifestyle Operating System Plan. It'll be found at the link joel-davis-shop.fourthwall.com. One team, one goal. Let's do this together. And I'll see you on episode 4. Stop setting resolutions and build a mission that actually changes you.